Look at Mama. Hey. Nope. Tiny splashes, only in the back and not in the front.
No, it's raining.
No, not like that. Hey, hey. You should just quit. There you go. You should do that.
It's a sprinkle.
Melanie, what are you
Oh,
doing?
not over here, Hannah. I get my camera wet.
What are you doing, Mel?
Been sitting that way for a while. Julie, don't splash. Let's see if she wants to turn around. Okay? Maybe she's not turning around if she's scared.
Come on. Over here. I'll show you.
No.
Ah, yuck.
You have grass all over you too.
That was just
It's
a
gonna be in
hairball.
your panties and everything. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah.
Her diaper's getting wet.
Yeah. Filling up.
I did not have
I'm not taking it off.
Wedgie.
Melanie.
Julie got Wedgie. Wedgie.
Hi, you having fun?
Pull your shirt out, Jill.
Mel, Mel.
Pull your shirt out in the back.
Melanie.
Out of your butt. There you go.
Melanie.
You're just gonna leave the dog here. I swear. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah,
Same as Damon.
I know.
Mel, Mel.